Hello. Okay, so it's another video. I'm just showing you another demo which I just created for another security company. So basically, it's for their guards. They was doing all the work manually. So I just created two forms for them. So whenever they will fill this form, it will automatically go into the sheets, and so I have one sheet. Inside, I have three tabs. One is the email, second is the activity log, and the third is the visitor log. So whenever any person visits, it will just fill this form, and all the details will go here. And after 24 hours, they will receive last 24 hours activities. So let me give you a demo. So let's say if it is a visitor log, I am going to mention, okay, let's try with the activity log ABCD, add log, okay. And we can also upload the image too. All right. So after submission, you can see, okay, so this is the activity log. Okay. So just now you are able to see like the fields which I filled, you are able to see those details here. So there's another thing like here I have mentioned everything. Like this is the webhook, which is receiving all the data. This is extracting all the details from those fields. Then it is deciding like if it is a activity log or if it is a visitor log. And then it is downloading the image from the WordPress and uploading those images in the Google Drive. I have made specific folders in the backend to store those images by using the specific rename of the fields which we are getting from these uh, form, and then I am adding those data into the Google Map. And here I am checking how many forms do we have, and after that I am fetching each rows of each tab, and then I'm deciding like I have to send last 24 hours data. And here I'm creating a HTML format and sending as an email. So this is the email format you can see. And if you press this view button, you are able to view the image, but you can only view the image if you have the access. Otherwise, you are not able to see it. So this is a perfect example. We can set up this kind of automation for those companies which need to replace their manual work of their guards into some automation. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. And if you need anything like this, now you know who you should contact.